Saturday, 4:51 p.m. Just finished up some lunch, mostly trail mix, and a couple of sips of water. Every time I think the rain has eased up and things start to look like they're drying out, it rains again. Some of the moisture on the outside is dried, but not enough. And I've got a little puddle here I'm trying to soak up. I got cold again, so I'm back in my mummy bag. No NOAA reception, no cell phone reception. I saw a couple of guys going down to the water. It looked like one had a fishing pole, but they didn't stay long. Wouldn't be by any chance that it started pouring down and they had no rain gear on. Well, this is still my view, just at a different angle it looks like. I'm shooting through the tent screen. Sayonara. Oh wait, I met quite a few Germans along the way to this point. One guy was from Switzerland, and the other one, oh, I can't think of where he said in Germany, but he's not too far from Cologne, Germany. I haven't seen Coffee, Arlen, or Kitty, or Swamp Dog for 2 days now. Now would be a good time for start over. Now would be a good time for Survivor Dave to come with a nice big family-sized bucket of Southern crispy, spicy Kentucky Fried Chicken. Or Swamp Dog, since he's from Louisiana, can drop me off some Popeyes. I don't see that happening unless I dream it. Goodbye.